What do you say about it?
My friend, I am a Muslim. I am not a politician. I stick with what I'm going to do,
Bwana
not
Waziri,
politics.
swali langu ni kuhusu miradi mbalimbali ya serikali ambayo Bwana Waziri, swali langu ni kuhusu miradi mbalimbali ya serikali ambayo
Clearly you can see that there is a level of negligence in what was being done here. And I am going to ask the DCI and the team that is investigating this. I know that the county security team is involved. What I can pledge is we will act and we will go the direction the report will point us. And when the report points us in a particular direction, we will act without fear or favor against terrible rules involved. Because you see, first of all, this is a very irresponsible and reckless wastage of public resources. Number one. Number two, we're actually endangering our lives because I have asked, I want the DCI and these people to go through everything. You know, look through the construction company that was assigned here, the process of supervision and everything else. Where action is, where the report points us is the direction we will go.